If you want to save your Figma files to your desktop, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want an offline backup, need to move your design to another computer, or just want a copy stored locally on your device. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Figma file that you want to save. Make sure the design is fully loaded and that you're inside the file you want to export locally. Once the file is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Figma logo icon. This opens the main menu where you'll find several file options and project controls. From there, hover over or click File. This will expand the file menu and show you a list of available actions. Now click Save Local Copy. When you choose this option, Figma will generate a local version of the file and begin downloading it to your computer. In most cases, the file will be saved to your Downloads folder automatically. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and you should see the Figma file there, ready to keep, move, or back up however you want. If you'd like, you can then drag that file to your desktop for quicker access. And that's it. Your Figma file has been saved locally and is now on your device. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more Figma tips, and I'll see you in the next one.